Okay, so the laser pointing system, laser point system. What is laser point system? As you can see here, I have the cross laser point. Okay, so why I use this one? This one will tell me exactly where is my laser. Okay, let me just adjust it a little bit. Okay, I didn't use it for a long time, so I need to adjust the laser a little bit. Okay, so now it's adjusted. So it's good also to show you how to adjust the cross laser. So I bought this one, or if you have 3D printer you can print it. You will find the template in the internet. I just bought it for I think it's like something around $10. It has the laser holder and it has the air assistant holder. Okay, all what you have to do is just set it around your laser mirror. Okay, and you have to buy the laser separately, which is very cheap. Anyway, I put everything on the in the link description below, so please feel free to use everything. Okay, so this one will tell you exactly the center of your laser without. So if, for example, I want to touch my object, it's just imagine that I will start from here. Okay, so sometimes you have one board and different area, so I will start from here. Let's say, okay, I adjust it, then I know that my laser will start from here. This is optional. You can, if, for example, if you don't have it, so what you can do is just push the test fire. Okay, but what is the difference between having it or not having it? If I don't have it, so I have to put the object, fire test, it's not here, then move it, fire test, it's not here, then move it, fire test. Okay, now it's good. So I tested like 3-4 times to know where is my corner. But if I have it, put it in the corner, one test, that's it. So I think it's good to have it. Okay, so option number 5, air assistant system. Why we need the air assistant system? So the air assistant system is basically this tube, okay, inside this holder or rack. To the hole in the back of the laser machine, and then I can show you the bump. I think I added the link. Okay, so this is the bump that I'm using. It's really powerful pump. I liked it, not so expensive. So to avoid the noise, I have this box which inside covered by sponge. so I don't really hear any noise. I just put it inside and I don't hear any noise. It was hard to show you where is my pump, but basically my pump is inside this box. This box is a plastic box, and inside it's covered with thick layer of sponge. So as you can see, as you can hear, the noise is very low, and basically the noise is from here, not from the pump. So the pump is really super silent. You can see hear it. Okay, so why we need this air assistant? When you cut your object, let me switch it off. When you cut your object, you'll see this flame. Okay, and this flame will burn and the smoke will cover your laser head and the lens, and it will be blocked. And while you are working, you will start seeing such big burn markers. That's because of the fire result by the burning, especially when you have when your object is not equally distanced far from the laser head. So I have this marker here which tell you how many. So my focal point at this laser machine is 50 millimeter, and the focal point is based on the lens inside. Let me show you. I'll try to open it for you. It's better to stop your laser machine before you do any activity. Okay, so when you buy this one, there is 30 millimeters, 50 millimeters. Okay, so when you buy it, they will tell you how many millimeters, or you select how many millimeters. Mine is 50 millimeters. What that means? Okay, so what is the 50 millimeters? The 50 millimeters is the distance between your laser head and the object. So if I put this piece of wood on the bed, so as you can see, my focal point is much more less than 50 millimeters. That will never give me a clean cut or clean bending. I'm trying to look for the original bed I have. Okay, so I forget to tell you that I removed the bed from here. The original bed is very limited in work area. So I had the bed here, okay, and there is just little hole. It's like about 7 inch by 3 inch. That's the whole area you can use to work. So I removed that bed and I put this 4 holders. Okay, I bought this one for like $1 from Dollar Tree store, and this one less obstruction you have, more clean cut you will get. So most of the people use, let me show you. So most of the people use this grid, this mesh, which is not bad. I liked it, but as you can see here, I have too many objects. So when your laser will hit these points, you will get a reflector in underneath your object. So when you turn it upside down, you will find your object is like has a lot of burn and dark spot underneath. So I replaced this grid with this one. So just keep in mind, if you are working with small object like this one, so this grid will not help you because your object will easily fall down. So most of what I do is big objects, 10-inch length, 6-inch width. So this works perfectly for me. Okay, you can get any kind of bed you want. There is too many options, but I like this one because it gives me clean cut.